Cháu Linh, are you ready for a day of adventure?
Ông ba, look! The biggest mango I've ever seen!
Almost.
Almost got it!
Here, Cháu Linh. Let's use this bamboo pole.
Okay, ông ba, let's do it together. Got it!
Got it.
Hey! Come back! Stop! That's for everyone!
Here, little monkey, we have something even better. A fair trade, I think.
That was close!
This cart needs some oil.
I can fix this with a vine. See? Good as new!
A little rest is good.
That was a close one.
That was a close one. Let's gather a little more before the day ends.
Oh no! Rain! Rain!
Quickly, to the shed! The audio features a young girl's energetic giggling and amazed speech. Follow a good day's work, Cháu Linh.
Goodbye! See you tomorrow!